Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of May the 11th to the 17th. And today is Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to all of the moms, grandmoms, aunties, dog moms, all of the ladies out there. Happy Mother's Day. And I hope you have a terrific one. And let me know in the comments if you're shopping or not. So we have a free 8x10 photo with the code Pick with Mom, exactly as pictured on the screen. It's one 8x10 per account. Go and put in your free order for a free 8x10 photo right away. And will a register reward print for you? Yay or nay? I saw on social media a couple girls posting and they were successful. But definitely, this might be a way on the cheap to see, is it going to work? Is it not going to work? So hopefully one prints for you and, it's magic. And again, I'm wishing all of you a very happy Mother's Day. And please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published on Sunday, May the 11th in the morning. Now, in case you missed it, on Friday, I made a video about the Dollar General clearance event that's going to be taking place. It's starting next Friday the 16th. Is it a 3-day or a week? I've been hearing various stories, but look at this. If you're a couponer, this is your bread, this is your butter, this is Christmas and your birthday mixed together. Because I'm not a complete Scrooge. Even if you're a staunch pharmacy shopper, this 33 counter of the Arm & Hammer is going to be $1.80. Subtracting that $2 coupon, it's completely free. One per account. Load that digital coupon and watch my video linked at the end. I just went through a random 20 items, and if you saw how fat those detergent, paper, blah, 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 this is going to be one for the books. I think it's going to be the biggest clearance event for the Dollar General for this year. Back to Walgreens land, we still have this booster of a 7-back when you spend $35. It's of a one-time use. It ends on the 17th, so they're running these for 2 weeks. So the top one is for a general basket, and the bottom one is online only. Buy 3 P&G dental care products, get back $5. And Walgreens Cash, we're going to have to do something with that bottom one online. If you guys could do me a huge kindness before we dive into the deals, and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it would really help me and the channel out, and to make sure this video doesn't end up in a YouTube Siberia or a timeout. If you guys could take a second and like the video, I would be so grateful. Okay, so the first thing we're talking about is the Arm & Hammer, the detergent, the pods, and the scent boosters for $1.99. If you want to grab 5, it's $9.95. Subtracting $10 in Walgreens Cash, you're paying your tax. This is obviously a no booster deal. If you're a new couponer and you really want to stock up on those scent boosters or the pods, it's a very fantastic meat and potatoes deals. $1.99 for this. I mean, it's a very good price point. Dollar General will be a little bit better next week, but if you just need to stock up and you're like, yeah, I don't have time for the Dollar General, this is a fantastic one this week at Walgreens. The next deal that we're looking at is with the Scott buy one get one 50% off and dollar online coupons. Woo! Okay, so we're going to load probably $2 worth for one paper towel and one toilet paper. That's typically what they give us when they offer those dollar coupons. So one of each would be $7.50 on a buy one get one 50% off at $5 each. Subtracting your $2 of digitals, you're going to pay $5.50 for the 2 or $2.75 per paper product. That is a stock up price, and it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. We have a lot of deals for cheap shampoo, Fructis and whole blends. Hopefully we get that 3 off of 2 for both. So 2 of them will be $8. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward. It makes it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per shampoo or conditioner. It is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but this is just a very simple deal for some very cheap shampoo or conditioner, and we'll have to see if we get one for both the whole blends and the Fructis. Sometimes they give us this combination one, which we always hate that week, but they usually give us one of each, that 3 off 2 digital. Now we're looking at the Tresemme for $7 $4 reward when you buy 2 with a 5 off 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of these Tresemes, it's going to be $14. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $9. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per Tresemme. It is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And to let you guys know, I did check my Fetch app in case there might be some sort of rebate for this one. I didn't see it, but maybe something will be on yours, possibly. Everybody's Fetch is a little bit different, so I would definitely check. The Dial Body Wash is 2 for $7, $5 reward when you purchase 3 with a 2 off 2 online coupon. Over on Ibata, if you buy one of the men's one, you're going to get $1 back. As you're buying 3, yes, you can use this Ibata one because it says you can't use a coupon with it. But hey, you're buying 3 of them, so one technically does not have a coupon. Okay, 3 of those body washes is $10.50. Make sure you grab a dude one, please. The 2 off 2 digital is melting off, so you're going to pay $8.50. Photograph your receipt for $1 back from Ibata, plus get back a $5 register reward. Makes it $2.50 for the 3 or 83 cents per body wash. It is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Do yourself a favor, load that Dial rebate right away from Ibata. What a deal. And we never get deals for Dial body wash. Okay, moving it along for these Axe dry sprays. Buy one, get one 50% off with a 6 off 2 digital coupon. If you head over to your Ibata, load this rebate right now. It's a $2 back on each, so you want to make sure you have it loaded, and Walgreens is one of the store. Grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $10.93. Subtracting that generous coupon, you'll pay $4.93. Photograph your receipt to Ibata. If the rebate is still there, you're going to get $4 back, making it 93 cents for the 2 or 46 cents per dry spray. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is with the Dove Whole Body Deodorant. Buy one, get one 50% off at $12.99. 10 off 2 digital coupon. $2 reward when you buy 2. So there's a lot working right there. On Ibata, we have a rebate for $5 back when you purchase one of these fancier dry sprays. Okay, so we're doing this deal in store because there's a register reward at play. Buying 2 of these, it's $19.48. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $9.48. Get back a $2 register reward. Photograph your receipt for $5 back from Ibata, making it $2.48 for the 2 or $1.24 per spray. It is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And we're looking at toothpaste again. So we have a 6 off. I think it's probably going to be a 6 off of 2, and it's probably going to go for the higher value items. Grabbing 2 of the items at $5.50, that's $11. Subtracting that 6 off 2, you'll pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per dental care product. And yeah, it's okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Okay, now we're going to hop into the honorable mentions. The first one goes to Quilted Northern Angel Soft. Excuse me. $10.99, $5 reward when you buy 2 with a 50-cent digital coupon. If you might have some really nice register rewards, throw that in and make this deal happen if you're a fan of Quilted Northern. We never get deals on it. And depending how these coupons are going to align, if we can get $26, subtracting a $6, I don't know what it's going to come off of. $10 reward when you spend $25, that possibly can be $5 each. We'll have to see how this one shakes out. Guess what's back? A buy one, get 2 for free on the Complete Home food storage bags. Typically, it's $2.79 for the first. 2 are free. It makes it 93 cents per box of 20 sandwich bags, which is fantastic. We have the nice trail mix and peanuts and so on and so forth. 2 for $5, $2.50 per. That magic mix used to be the thing I loved back in the day. It's really good, and it's, I don't know, they make it perfectly. We have a buy one, get 2 for free on the Purex detergent. Sometimes there are rebates on Ibata for that, so if Purex is your detergent of choice, that is not a bad deal. And the Ferrero Rocher bar chocolate is on a buy 2, get 1 for free. That would go absolutely perfect with a Mother's Day surprise or a card or something like that. I think it would be a really nice little gift. BOGO free on these Kellogg's Pop-Tarts, always a great thing to have. I always keep a couple of these on hand for my husband when he gets really hungry. It's a favorite in our household for him. And then the final item is buy one, get one free on the Ballpark hot dogs. So you might want to stock up on that for the summer months that are just around the corner. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.